Asylon secures $26 million Series B funding for robotic security innovation. Asylon, a robotics company based in Philadelphia, has successfully raised $26 million in a Series B funding round, a significant milestone for the firm. This funding round was spearheaded by Insight Partners, with contributions from Veteran Ventures Capital, Allegion Ventures, and the GoPA Fund, showcasing a strong interest in the future of robotic security. At the heart of Asylon's innovation is their unique approach to robotic security as a service, RaaS. They have transformed Boston Dynamics' Spot robots into what they call DroneDogs, which are designed for ground patrols. These advanced robotic systems work in conjunction with Asylon's Guardian software, providing a comprehensive AI-driven security solution that is both effective and efficient. One of the standout features of DroneDogs is their ability to operate in dangerous environments. They are equipped to handle critical tasks, such as detecting gas leaks and identifying hazardous chemicals. This capability not only enhances safety, but also presents a viable alternative to traditional human patrols and canine units, setting Asylon apart from competitors like Knightscope. Since its inception in 2015, Asylon has raised a total of approximately $45 million, with this latest funding round adding to the roughly $21 million previously secured. The growing demand for enhanced facility security is a driving force behind this expansion, paralleling advancements in drone technology from companies like Skidio. Originally starting as a drone-focused company, Asylon has since diversified its offerings to include robotic guard dogs, reflecting a strategic evolution in their business model. The cost of Asylon's RaaS ranges from $100,000 to $150,000 annually, making it a significant investment for businesses looking to enhance their security measures. Currently, the company employs 65 individuals and has deployed its systems across 15 states, indicating a robust operational footprint in the security sector. But here's where it gets controversial. As technology continues to evolve, will we see a shift away from human security personnel in favor of robotic solutions? This raises important questions about the future of employment in the security industry. What are your thoughts on the balance between technology and human oversight in security? Join the conversation in the comments below. Asylon's robotic security milestone, 250,000 automated missions completed. Asylon has surpassed 250,000 robotic security missions, marking a groundbreaking achievement in automated surveillance. The company's DroneDog and Guardian drone platforms have collectively logged over 250,000 hours of operational use, with DroneDog alone covering more than 150,000 miles across live environments. This milestone reflects the growing reliance on robotic systems for 24/7 perimeter security at commercial and critical infrastructure sites nationwide. Asylon's integrated platforms, used for scheduled patrols, alarm responses, and post-incident assessments, serve as a strategic boost for on-site security teams. Reliability is the cornerstone of both robotics and security markets, said Brent McLaughlin, co-founder and CEO of Asylon. Reaching 250,000 missions and 150,000 miles walked by DroneDog is a reflection of our DroneIQ software's precision and the trust our clients place in autonomous security solutions every day. Built on Boston Dynamics' Spot robot, DroneDog is equipped with Asylon's proprietary PupPack and DroneIQ software, enabling remote, AI-powered operations. The system can follow pre-programmed routes or adapt dynamically to alarms using machine learning. When paired with Asylon's FAA-compliant Guardian drone in-a-box platform, customers gain a unified air and ground solution that integrates seamlessly with existing video and alarm systems. Asylon's approach is gaining traction across industries. Financial institutions like Citizens Financial Group have adopted the technology for daily operations. John Gomez, Vice President and Physical Security Manager at Citizens, noted, "We've used both DroneDog and Guardian for over 3 years across our campus. Our reliability and responsiveness continue to impress." The company's Robotic Security Operations Center, RSOC, oversees deployments nationwide, supporting clients from urban campuses to remote industrial sites. Asylon attributes its success to continuous software upgrades, proactive maintenance, and the disciplined operations of its RSOC team. This milestone solidifies Asylon's leadership in robotic physical security, demonstrating that autonomous solutions are not only feasible, but increasingly essential in today's evolving threat landscape. For the latest updates on Chester County and surrounding areas, follow MyChaseCo on Google News. https://news.google.com/publications/CAAQJGGKIBDQKLTRWDNTWFNNE Terzi 1 Wait Joe BG My TNZMBU 5 2 YLN NQVAB HL =EN in ampersand GL =in seed =in %3 AEN and MSN https://en.com/en.channel/mychaseco/SR-SID-AF 4D10B27AA10316. Asylon Robotics, revolutionizing perimeter security with $24 million Series B funding. Asylon Robotics is poised to revolutionize robotic security with a $24 million Series B funding round, marking a pivotal moment for its mission to deliver AI-powered robotic systems across commercial and government sectors. The round, led by global software investor Insight Partners, brings together veteran venture capital firms like Veteran Ventures Capital, Allegion Ventures, and the GoPA Fund, signaling a strategic shift toward scaling innovation. With this capital, Asylon aims to expand its engineering, operations, and go-to-market teams, accelerate product development on its robotic platforms, and deepen partnerships in defense, logistics, and critical infrastructure. This funding will directly support the company's goal of completing over 250,000 robotic security missions, safeguarding people, property, and national assets. At the helm is CEO Damon Henry, who leads Asylon as a pioneer in US-built robotic security solutions, combining cutting-edge AI technology with agile deployment strategies. The company's dual focus on commercial viability and government contracts underscores its role as a bridge between advanced robotics and real-world security needs. But here's where it gets controversial. While Asylon emphasizes its commitment to ethical AI and data privacy, critics argue that its rapid expansion could outpace regulatory frameworks, risking compliance challenges in high-stakes environments. Meanwhile, industry experts highlight the potential for Asylon to set new benchmarks in cost-effective, scalable security solutions, though some question whether its current product lineup fully addresses emerging threats like cyber-physical attacks. Asylon's journey reflects a broader trend in robotics, the intersection of AI, automation, and public safety. Whether this growth aligns with long-term goals remains a topic of debate, especially as the company navigates the delicate balance between innovation and accountability in a rapidly evolving landscape.